Hello, second graders. Miss Anderson here. Today we are going to be talking about rounding and estimating. We are going to use our regular math boxes, just like it says right here. So the paper that says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today we're going to be talking about digits, rounding, values, and estimating. A digit is a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, also 0. And the value is how much it's worth. So like if a 2 is in the tens place, its value is 20. The digit says 2, but what it's worth, if you were to trade it, its value is 20. Today we're going to use rounding and estimating to help us solve some problems. Let's take a look. We are going to be visiting Mrs. Cahoon's slime shop. Mrs. Cahoon is selling slime and we are going to buy some from her. In box 1 you're going to need to write something, but not quite yet. We are going to be buying some slime, but we only have dollar bills. That's why this dollar is here. So no coins, only dollars in our wallet. Mrs. Cahoon's slime shop, the slime cost $2.80. If the slime costs $2.80, how many dollar bills will you need to give to the cashier to buy the slime? Hint, there might be some change left over. In box number 1, please write down how many dollar bills. I would like you to draw the number of dollar bills. Go ahead and draw how many you would give the cashier. Did you draw 3? We would need to give the cashier $3 and they would give us some change back because we need at least $2, but it also costs 80 cents. So they would give us 20 cents back. In box number 1, you need to have $3 bills drawn, just like that. Pause the video, otherwise continue if that's done already. Now we're getting ready for box number 2. We aren't ready to answer it yet. In our wallet this time we have a dollar bill or dollar bills and we have dimes, but that's it. Only dollar bills and dimes. This time we are buying slime that costs $1.87. So now we need to round to this place value, the tens place, because we have dimes that can help us. But we can't only give them 8 dimes and a dollar bill, because then we didn't pay enough. It still costs 7 more cents. How much money would you give the cashier? Go ahead and draw your answer in box number 2. Did you say $1.09? Because that is the answer. Here's why. $1 and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 cents. And they would give us 3 pennies back. That's why we would need to round to a middle place value like the tens instead of rounding to the hundreds. That's an example of how rounding can help us. If we were to estimate $1.87 is about $1.90. Let's keep going. The next work that we're going to do is going to go in box 3, 4, 5, and 6. Shortly, there will be a picture up here for box number 3. I will tell you when you need to write something down. Then we will have a picture up here for box 4, 5, and 6. Be sure to listen very carefully to know when you need to be writing down your estimation. Right here, you're going to see some marbles or some stuff in a cup. Why, Miss Anderson? Why are we seeing this? I want you to think, how many gems are in the glass? Before I reveal the answer, in box number 3, you need to write how many gems are in the glass. Do that now. Take a guess. Estimate how many gems are in the glass. Pause your video if you're not done. There are 25 glass gems in here. So I need you to just simply draw one line through your number in box number 3 and really small write the number 25 next to it. So you remember that there are actually 25 gems. In box number 3, you should have your guess crossed out, and then in box number 3, you should have the number 25 really small. Now let's take a look at box number 4. In box number 4, remember this is 3. In box number 4, I need you to estimate how many gems do you think are in this glass? I'm noticing that this one is up to here and this one's down here. Pause the video and write your estimation in box number 4. There are 14 gems in this glass. So please write one small line through your number in box number 4 and really small write 14 next to it. Now let's take a look at box number 5. In box number 5, there are this many gems. Please make an estimation. If that's 25 and that's 14, wow, this is a full glass. Please write your estimate. Do you think it's going to be less than 14? Pause the video if you need more time. The reveal is coming. Make sure your estimation is written down in box number 5. There are 51 glass gems in this glass. That is a lot more than 25. I can estimate that if half is about 25, then there's going to be double that for 51. In box number 6, we are going to do one more. I need you to write down how many do you think are in this glass? A little more than 25. For sure more than 14. A little less than 51. Pause your video and write your number now. Ready for the reveal? Did you say 37? Were you close? There are 37 glass gems. Do not erase. Just draw a skinny line through it and then write a really small 37 so we can see that you knew what the final answer was. Estimating and knowing the amount that a number equals can help us so that we can make an educated guess, or we can make an assumption about how much we might need of something. If I was going to be buying treats for all the teachers in the school, I could estimate about how many teachers there are. I could add that number up by rounding, and then I could figure out just how many treats I need to buy. Maybe you could do the same for your friends. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for rounding and estimating with me today. Focus on growing your math brain and don't give up on that growth mindset. See you later.